Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys! Tingnan mo ako. Yellow check, Christmas cake, damit check, bag check.
Germs can also give your teeth cavities.
Trolley check, sapatos check, medyas check. The car.
Mahiwagang salamin, kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay na patingin. Mahiwagang salamin, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding, nasa ng pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin?
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
Are you happy?
Yes! Dito. Dito. Show me first. Yes!
Are you starving now?
Yes, we're starving. Look! Okay. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Sunday.
Sunday who?
Someday, this is the ordinary. Someday, do something extraordinary. Side by side, and above the light, daylight will say, we're gonna be someday, someday, someday.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya. I love you. Say happy birthday, Kuya.
Yes, yes.
Kuya.
Better.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kob Kob. More birthday to comes. And stay makulit at matigas ang ulo. I love you.
Wait, there's more. Marami pa kayong mapapanood sa video na ito.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Love ka ni tita.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Iwasan ang pagiging makulit. At always maging tiger. Roar.
Hello Jacob! Happy birthday! My not so little baby dino. I wish you always have a good health and sana lagi kang susunod kay mama and papa. Be a good boy and take care of your little sister Jamia. Enjoy and I will see you soon pagkain ko.
Hi Jacob, this is Kuya Ram. Happy birthday, so enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Jacob. More birthday yun. Inom na tayo.
Happy birthday Jacob. I love you.
Wait lang ito no seryoso no. Hey
Jacob, love you. I miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Happy birthday, Jacob. Happy birthday, Jacob. How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. the best.
We
Yes.
wish that you're happy.
Yep. And we
And
wish
you
you
a
that you
happy
will be a
birthday.
great wife. And I wish myself to go there.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye,
See you
Jacob.
next year!
See you next year, maybe.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Wish ko maging matalino ka bata, mabait, at nana, malakas lagi ang iyong katawan. Huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo. I love you. Sana maging matalino ka bata. We love you always. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jacob. Sana lumaki ka ng malusog at huwag mo gayahin mga tito mo na palasagot yung magulang.
Hi, Jacob. Happy birthday. Sana magpakabait ka. Saka huwag matigas ang ulo. Saka palagi mo susundin si mama. Huwag kang lalaban sa akin. Minsan pinapagalitan mo. Minsan nagsisinungaling ka sa mama mo. Kahit hindi ko inaano yung anak ko.
La Dami
kapatid mo eh.
Nasanabi.
Di ba inuuntog niya yung sarili niya doon sa may kama pag nagagalit siya? O sige na. Happy birthday ulit. Magpakabait ka. I love you. Okay.
Hi Jacob, happy 5th birthday to you. Sana ay maging mabuti kang bata, mag-aral kang mabuti, huwag kang magkakasakit at maging malusog ang iyong pangangatawan. Mahalin mo ang mga magulang mo, ganun din ang iyong lolo't lola at iyong mga tito at titas. Happy birthday again and be happy sa birthday mo. Bye-bye!
Hi Jacob, happy birthday. Be a good boy and mahalin mo mami at daddy mo. Again, happy birthday. Bye. Ayun na, tingnan mo.
Happy birthday Jacob, I miss you, I love you. See you soon!
Go.
Hi Jacob. Happy birthday Jacob. Tita Mary mo to. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo na sana maging mabuti kang bata. Palagi ka susunod sa mama at papa mo at saka pagbutihan mo ang iyong pag-aaral para pagdating ng araw maging abogado ka, di ba? Okay lang, di ba? Okay. Bye. See you soon.